Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you create a flow on Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to create a flow, and this about to design multiple frames, so we can start to go for frame 1, frame 2, and the frame 3. And this will be like through this one of frame, and this is ready to be satisfied with this progress. And this what we're gonna start it to be about. So this is ready to be something that is ready to be satisfied with this progress, and this is really um, about something that we can start to understand how this kind of the prototype can make interactions when we are about to go for it, and then about to go with a side of with this flow, and this about to go for floating, scrolling vertical both sides, choose properties, so we can start to go with control A again, starting with the flow should be really after play, and maybe there really on click on hover, and on click on hover if you find it. That is all about.